Are you feeling a bit left behind in this fast-paced, AI-driven world? Don't worry, you're not alone. We're living in the age of AI, and let me tell you, the world is moving at an astonishing pace. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants and even robots that can cook breakfast, the AI revolution is here, reshaping everything we know. But here's the catch, my friends, you don't have to be a tech whiz to leverage AI. Nope. Today, we're about to dive into the top 10 AI skills you need to know to keep up and soar ahead in this exhilarating AI-powered world. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative genius, a small business owner, or just someone looking to future-proof your career, these AI skills are your secret weapon. Get ready because mastering just a few of these skills could dramatically skyrocket your career, supercharge your personal growth, and even turbocharge your social media game. Are you ready for the future? Buckle up, my friends, because today, we're taking a thrilling ride through the world of AI skills that will not only keep you in the game but put you right at the forefront. So, without further ado, let's dive in and discover how you can conquer the age of AI. Welcome to our channel, where we're about to unveil the secrets to mastering AI skills that will make your future brighter than you ever imagined. Let's get started. Skill number 1, workflow automation. Picture this. A world where the tedious tasks that once bogged you down are now handled effortlessly by an invisible digital workforce. This is the true power of workflow automation, and it's more than just simplification, it's a transformation of efficiency that can revolutionize any industry. Whether you're running a bustling bakery, managing a real estate empire, or providing top-notch pet grooming services, AI offers a tantalizing slice of the automation pie for everyone. Imagine starting your workday, and your inbox isn't an overwhelming tsunami of emails, but a neatly organized queue of messages. Each email is intelligently categorized based on its content and priority. Routine inquiries receive instant, tailored responses, freeing up your valuable time. Critical matters are promptly flagged for your immediate attention. This isn't merely about saving time, it's about achieving a level of precision and accuracy that even the most diligent human workforce can't match. In the world of workflow automation, you're not just optimizing processes, you're orchestrating a symphony of efficiency. Tasks that used to consume hours are now executed in mere minutes, thanks to AI's tireless work ethic. And the beauty of it all? You're liberated to focus on what truly matters: creative problem solving, strategic thinking, and nurturing customer relationships. Workflow automation isn't just about streamlining, it's about unleashing your full potential in the age of AI. Skill number 2, prompt engineering. Have you ever interacted with AI and felt like you were speaking to a robot that just didn't quite get it? That's a common frustration, and it's where the remarkable skill of prompt engineering comes into play. Think of it as mastering the art of holding a meaningful conversation with AI. Prompt engineering is about becoming fluent in AI's language, ensuring that the responses you receive are not just relevant but precisely what you need. When you craft precise prompts, you're essentially saying to AI, "I'm not here to play games. I know what I want, and I know exactly how to ask for it." Let's take ChatGPT, for example. You could ask it to write a sales pitch, and sure, you'd get a response. But here's the game changer. If you engineer the prompt to say, "Write a persuasive sales pitch for eco-conscious consumers interested in sustainable fashion," you've just handed AI a detailed map to your exact requirements. In this AI-driven world, prompt engineering is your secret key to unlocking the full potential of these intelligent systems. It's like having a skilled translator who can convey your thoughts and needs to AI in the most effective way possible. It's not just about getting answers, it's about getting the right answers, tailored precisely to your demands. With prompt engineering, you're no longer at the mercy of AI. You're the conductor of an orchestra, harmonizing your intentions with the limitless capabilities of artificial intelligence. Skill number 3, speed learning using AI. In our information-driven world, the ability to learn swiftly is nothing short of a superpower. Enter the domain of AI-driven speed learning, where knowledge is not just accessible but served to you on a silver platter precisely when you need it. It's like having the world's most efficient librarian at your beck and call, guiding you through the vast library of human understanding. Imagine you're a student grappling with a complex concept. Rather than sifting through a mountain of textbooks and articles, AI algorithms step in as your personal knowledge curators. They scan, sort, and recommend precise information that will untangle the knots in your understanding. In a blink, you're not just catching up with the class, you're surging ahead. For professionals in fast-paced industries, this skill is a game changer. Imagine you're a marketing executive seeking the latest trends to stay ahead of the competition. With AI-driven speed learning, you're not chasing information, it's flowing to you effortlessly. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the future of your field. But it's not just for students and professionals. For anyone thirsty for knowledge, whether it's to master a new language, explore the mysteries of the cosmos, or simply stay informed about the world, AI-driven speed learning is your ticket to unparalleled knowledge acquisition. The power of AI is not just in its ability to process data, it's in its capacity to accelerate human potential. In a world where every second counts, speed learning is the jet fuel that propels you into the future with confidence and expertise. Skill number 4, data analysis using AI. In this digital age, data isn't just valuable, it's the currency that drives our interconnected world. But here's the catch. Possessing data is like owning a treasure chest. It's full of potential, but only if you know how to unlock it. That's where AI steps in to empower you with the skill of data analysis, transforming raw data into actionable intelligence that can reshape the very foundations of your endeavors. Picture yourself as a small business owner navigating the e-commerce jungle. Your online store is bustling with customers, and every click, every minute spent, and every purchase made is a data point waiting to be deciphered. It's not just numbers, it's a goldmine of insights into the hearts and minds of your customers. AI tools become your secret weapon, excavating this treasure trove of information, and revealing patterns, preferences, and behaviors you might have never imagined. With AI-driven data analysis, you're not just observing, you're predicting. You can foresee which products will fly off the shelves and which marketing strategies will hit the bullseye. It's like having a crystal ball that grants you a glimpse into the future of your business. It's the competitive edge that transforms your small online store into a digital empire. Skill number 5, basic programming. Programming, it's a term that can conjure images of complex code, endless lines, and daunting technical jargon. But here's the revelation, programming isn't just for the tech elite. In the 21st century, it's the new literacy, and you don't need to be a coding wizard to unlock its potential. Understanding the fundamentals of programming is akin to holding the keys to a world where the digital realm dances to your tune. Imagine you're in a human resources role, and your desk is piled high with resumes. The traditional approach would mean hours of manual sorting and sifting, an exhausting process that leaves ample room for human error. Now, picture this. With a few lines of code, you've created a script that automates the entire process. Resumes are categorized, qualifications are evaluated, and the most promising candidates are highlighted, all in a matter of minutes. You've gone from overwhelmed to overjoyed, and it's all thanks to a touch of programming know-how. But here's the magic of it all. Programming isn't confined to tech-centric roles. Whether you're in marketing, healthcare, finance, or even agriculture, the ability to communicate with computers can elevate your game. It's about tapping into the digital world's language to your advantage, creating solutions that not only save time but also enhance precision. Skill number 6, AI content creation. In a world where content is hailed as the king of digital realms, one truth prevails. It's not just about producing content but producing content that reigns supreme. However, in this era of content overload, maintaining a steady flow of high-quality content can be a Herculean task. That's where the ingenious skill of AI content creation steps onto the stage as your creative partner. Imagine this. You're a digital entrepreneur looking to conquer the online space. Blog posts are your bread and butter, but writer's block seems to have taken permanent residence. Enter AI content creation, a solution that not only crushes writer's block but elevates your content game to unprecedented heights. With the help of AI, you can outline, draft, and refine blog posts based on your ideas in a fraction of the time it would take you to craft them manually. But it doesn't end with the written word. AI's creative prowess extends to design as well. Need a logo for your brand? Instead of endless iterations and frustrating design challenges, AI can generate dozens of logo options based on a few inputs about your brand's personality and values. It's like having a team of designers at your disposal, ready to transform your vision into stunning visuals. In the realm of social media, where visual storytelling reigns supreme, AI can craft eye-catching content that not only meets but often exceeds your creative standards. It's not just content creation, it's innovation in your approach to content production. By embracing AI as your creative ally, you're not just keeping up with the content demands. You're rewriting the rules of engagement in the digital arena. It's a skill that places you firmly in the driver's seat of content creation. navigating the ever-evolving landscape with finesse and flair. Skill number 7, data visualization. Ever heard the saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words"? When it comes to data, this adage couldn't be truer. Welcome to the captivating world of data visualization, a skill that takes raw, complex information and magically transforms it into engaging, visually immersive narratives. Imagine this scenario. You find yourself in a seemingly endless meeting where someone drones on, reading numbers from an uninspiring spreadsheet. The stifling atmosphere of boredom settles in. But hold on, here comes a game changer. Another individual strides into the room, fires up a presentation, and within seconds, you're immersed in a world of interactive charts and graphs. Each visual element tells a compelling story, unlocking a deeper understanding of the data's nuances. In that moment, you're not just engaged, you're captivated. Now, who are you going to remember? Data visualization isn't a mere skill, it's a superpower that transcends boundaries. Regardless of your field, be it marketing, healthcare, finance, or education, it's your secret weapon for elevating presentations and communication. In a world where attention spans are shrinking, and information overload is the norm, data visualization is your trusty sidekick, slicing through the noise to convey insights with clarity and impact. But it's not just about aesthetics, it's about accessibility. Our brains are hardwired to process visual information at lightning speed, making data visualization not just engaging but also highly effective. It's the skill that turns data from a dry, abstract concept into a living, breathing story that resonates with your audience. In the age of information, those who wield the art of data visualization aren't just conveying data. They are crafting experiences, leaving lasting impressions, and ultimately, driving informed decision-making. Skill number 8, natural language processing, NLP. In the ever-evolving dance between humans and machines, there exists a magical skill known as natural language processing, or NLP. This is the enchanting force that allows machines to understand and interpret human language, the very essence of our communication. Every interaction you have with virtual assistants, chatbots, or voice-activated devices is a front-row ticket to the world of NLP. The beauty of it lies in its simplicity. It's all about making machines speak our language. The better you grasp the intricacies of NLP, the more effectively you can converse with AI to achieve your desires. Let's bring this to life with a practical example. Picture yourself in the realm of customer service, where time is of the essence, and efficiency is paramount. You deploy a chatbot to handle common customer queries, hoping to streamline the support process. Now, here's where NLP becomes your secret weapon. By understanding the basics of natural language processing, you can do something remarkable. You can train the chatbot to comprehend customer needs with precision. It's like having a gifted translator who can decipher the nuances of human language and respond in a way that aligns perfectly with customer expectations. This isn't just efficient, it's a game changer in the realm of customer service. Skill number 9, machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms. These are the brains that power AI's decision-making, the enigmatic force behind the curtain that shapes the technology we interact with daily. Now, you might be thinking that diving into this world requires a PhD in computer science or advanced mathematics. But here's the revelation. You don't need an advanced degree to grasp the fundamentals of machine learning algorithms. In fact, the beauty of this skill lies in its accessibility and profound impact. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your favorite online store, and suddenly, a recommendation pops up, a product that seems tailor-made for your preferences. Or perhaps you're exploring your music streaming service, and a playlist curated just for you magically appears. It's all thanks to the wizardry of machine learning algorithms. These algorithms analyze your past behaviors, preferences, and interactions to make predictions about what you might like in the future. Understanding the basics of machine learning algorithms is like acquiring a secret decoder ring. Suddenly, you're not just witnessing AI's choices, you're deciphering the logic behind them. It's akin to learning the rules of a game, and once you do, you begin to anticipate the next move. This newfound skill empowers you to harness AI's capabilities more effectively, shaping your digital experiences to align perfectly with your preferences. But it's not just about personalization, it's about optimization. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or healthcare, understanding machine learning algorithms allows you to fine-tune your strategies, predict customer behaviors, and make informed decisions that impact your bottom line. In a world where data-driven insights are the lifeblood of progress, this skill isn't just a feather in your cap. It's a golden key that unlocks the full potential of AI's decision-making prowess. Skill number 10, social media algorithms. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your favorite social media platform, only to wonder why some posts soar to the skies with thousands of likes and shares, while others languish in the shadows, barely making a blip on the digital radar? This intriguing phenomenon is the handiwork of social media algorithms, the digital gatekeepers of visibility and engagement. Social media algorithms are the invisible forces that determine what appears on your feed, the order in which content is displayed, and the likelihood of your posts being seen by others. They are, in essence, the keys to the kingdom of digital engagement. But here's the fascinating twist. Understanding these algorithms isn't reserved for tech gurus or digital wizards. It's a skill that content creators, marketers, and anyone seeking to make a splash in the digital realm can harness to their advantage. Imagine you're a content creator, meticulously crafting posts to captivate your audience. With a deep understanding of social media algorithms, you're not just creating content blindly, you're engineering it for success. You're keenly aware of what triggers algorithmic favor, whether it's the timing of your post, the use of specific keywords, or the engagement level it garners. In essence, you're playing the game by the rules, and by doing so, you're unlocking the doors to a broader audience and enhanced engagement. For marketers, this skill isn't just valuable, it's essential. It's the skill that allows you to optimize your social media strategy, ensuring that your brand's message reaches the right audience at the right time. It's about transforming the seemingly unpredictable world of social media into a realm of calculated precision. In the age of digital marketing, where visibility and engagement are the currency of success, understanding social media algorithms isn't just a skill, it's a strategic advantage that can propel your brand to digital stardom. In concluding our exhilarating journey through the top 10 AI skills, it's vital to grasp that in this rapidly evolving AI-driven world, these skills are nothing short of golden tickets to success. From the art of workflow automation to the magic of AI content creation, you've unearthed a treasure trove of knowledge that has the potential to empower your career, fuel your personal growth, and transform your social media game. Now, dear viewers, it's your turn to take these newfound insights and embark on your own AI adventure. If this video has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to embrace these skills, we invite you to let us know in the comments below. Share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues. Together, we can spark a wave of AI-powered innovation. And if you're ready to supercharge your AI journey, don't forget to hit that like button. It's the first step toward your digital transformation. Before we part ways, we want to extend our heartfelt thanks to you for being a part of this incredible journey. Your insatiable curiosity and hunger for knowledge fuel our passion for creating valuable content. To ensure you never miss out on the latest insights and discoveries, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We can't wait to continue unraveling the mysteries of AI with you.